So you might be asking yourself, what's the difference between a king tide and a spring tide? Well, the moon orbits the Earth in an elliptical pattern, and at its closest point, it's called its perigee, and that's when you're going to get these supermoons where you have your really strong gravitational pulls and you're going to get king tides. Now, at its apogee, that's its furthest point from Earth, it's going to have its weakest pull in that elliptical cycle. So king tides are just abnormally high tides, and spring tides are just the normal high tides that we see during a full and new moon. But the moon also goes through a lunar cycle, which is 18.6 years. And so as the moon rises and sets, it hits different points on the horizon. And for 9.3 years, that distance from the Earth and where it's coming up on the horizon changes, and then it goes back. And all those points and distances change it again. And then once it gets back to the 18.6, it starts to repeat.